Can a single ingredient help with both anti-aging and breakouts? I used to think hydrating serums would clog my pores, especially in this humidity. But hyaluronic acid completely changed how I think about skincare now. Let's talk about why it's a game changer for both fine lines and acne-prone skin. Hi guys, I'm Neha and today I'm breaking down how hyaluronic acid actually works, especially if you're trying to age gracefully without triggering breakouts. When I moved to Panama, which is a hot and humid country, I completely stayed away from layering too many products because I've had once acne-prone skin in the past, and even today my skin isn't always predictable. But one thing that's made a huge difference in how plump and calm my skin looks is hydration done right. And hyaluronic acid, HA, isn't just about hydration. It can actually enhance a skin barrier function, smooth out fine lines, and help balance oil production when used correctly. A 2011 study published in Dermatology confirms that hyaluronic acid plays a critical role in maintaining skin moisture and elasticity, especially as we age. Even better, a 2021 review in Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology showed that low molecular weight HA penetrates deeper and helps reduce wrinkle depth, while high molecular weight HA soothes inflammation, perfect for acne-prone skin types. Right after cleansing on slightly damp skin, I use 2 to 3 drops of a gentle HA serum. Then I follow up with a lightweight moisturizer to seal it in. My skin feels more hydrated by introducing just this one single step. A quick tip here: look for hyaluronic acid products that contain ingredients like panthenol, ceramides, or glycerin. They boost moisture retention without clogging pores. If you're worried hyaluronic acid might break you out, make sure your hyaluronic acid is non-comedogenic and alcohol-free. Avoid formulas that pair hyaluronic acid with too many essential oils or heavy silicones, especially if you are sensitive skin. And don't ever apply hyaluronic acid on dry skin. That's a big one. Hyaluronic acid pulls moisture in, and if your skin is dry, it can actually pull moisture out of your skin instead of locking it in. Also, I use it on the nights I use retinol because it just helps combat the adverse effects of retinol like dryness and flaking. And if you feel like adding multiple products would add up to your multi-step skincare routine, then look for products, especially serums and moisturizers, that have hyaluronic acid along with other actives. Once you include hyaluronic acid or products that contain hyaluronic acid, you will start to notice these changes. Your skin will stay calm on retinol nights. As your skin starts to become plump and hydrated, even makeup will go on a lot smoother, and the tiny smile lines, frown lines would be visibly softer. But it's a slow, steady kind of glow up, and for acne-prone skin, it's like a buffer. Your skin feels more stronger and less reactive. So if you've been scared of using hydrating serums because of breakouts, I totally get it because I have been in the same spot. But hyaluronic acid might be the ingredient that changes the game for you, like it did for me. Some recommendations that I can make here from my own personal experience are the hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5 with ceramides from The Ordinary. Next is this one from Essence Cosmetics, Hello Good Stuff, 48 Intense Hydro Gel with aloe water and hyaluron. Hyaluronic acid serum from the Inky List if you're looking for budget options, and if you are looking for products that target multiple concerns without adding gone steps, you can try this one, Glycolic Bright from L'Oreal, along with Melacel, Glycolic Acid Niacinamide. This also has sodium hyaluronate. I did a whole video on this linked up in the cards, so if you want to check that out, but it will be a great add-on to your skincare. Now there are a few more options that I have tested myself and recommend. Please look for sunscreens, especially that come from Korea, are water-based, have hyaluronic acid. I have tested this one. I am using this one right now, and it is super nice for acne-prone sensitive skin. It also has hyaluronic acid in it. Other one I tested in the past is this one, watery sunscreen from Tokobo. This also has hyaluronic acid in its formulation. And not just Korean sunscreen, I have tried this one in the past. It is a London-based brand, Hello Sunday. This serum sunscreen is super effective if you have dry skin, or if you have skin like me which behaves dry in certain weather conditions or whenever you are in long flights. This also contains hyaluronic acid. Yeah, so those are all the products that I have used and tested on myself, and without any hesitation I can recommend it to you all. And that was all for today. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.